Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I was going to do another Christmas ornament. I've been working on some faux candy, and as you've already seen the lollipop video, when I was embellishing at the top there with the beads, it reminded me of the rock candy sticks that you can buy. So I decided that I was going to make a few of these as well. They will be cute in the tree, but they would also be cute depending on the color you made them, maybe to match a floral arrangement just to give it a little bling. So let's go ahead and get started on that. Okay, so I have just put some lace down as a base just because I have a ton of it. It was in my mom's craft stuff. And you could just base paint it white, or you could use the white candy sticks if you have candy making supplies. You could paint it, whatever you want to do. Now I'm just going to put a little bit of glue at the very top to start it, and just lay it right in till it grabs hold. Once it's on there, you can just start wrapping. And the way I did the other was every so often I would put a little stream of glue and then just continue to wrap. I won't make you watch the entire thing, or maybe I'll just speed up the video. Okay, so after you've got it wrapped, I'm just letting this secure with the glue. And again, you'll want to paint this depending on what you're doing with it. If it's going in a floral vase, it may not even be seen. Or if you're just going to use it as a pick in a tree, it may still not be seen, but I think I would still paint it if your tree is green, especially, paint it green. But I just think they're adorable. They would even be cute if you give gifts in bags instead of wrapping the gifts. To have the tissue paper and everything coming out the top and poke these in, you can't always get a pretty bow on a bag. So another thing you could use them for. But I just thought they were adorable. You could build them out more if you wanted to, make them even smaller. I just thought what a great way to use up some of these bags of beads that I have laying around. And then I thought I would just take a quick minute, video it, and share it with you as well. Now that I've had time to wrap a few, I just wanted to show them to you. They turned out really, really pretty. Some of them, you can see the size difference as far as how big around they are. Those I wrapped twice. And then this one, just to show you another option. I had a dark green and then just a little bit of the light green left, so I layered it. I thought that turned out pretty. And here, of course, is just a solid white. I think the shiny beads are pretty on their own, but another option may be to add some glitter on them if you wanted to, you know, mix it up and try that as well. But anyway, I hope you guys will try these either as picks in the tree, like I said, or they would make really pretty decoration for a gift bag, or even floral arrangements and wreaths. So it was a lot of fun. I will see you guys next week. Bye.